Have you ever wondered why use email marketing? Do you often wonder which tips and hacks could work in email marketing? Have you found yourself frequently thinking if you have proper knowledge of usage of email marketing? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about why use email marketing. Now let's get into it. Email marketing is sending emails to customers, newsletter subscribers, members, and users. In fact, anyone who has agreed that they are happy to receive marketing emails. Businesses will usually have a sign up to our newsletter tick box when someone registers on their website. Once sign up is completed, the user's email address will be recorded in a list of subscribers. The business will then regularly email the list of users with promotional offers, newsletters, etc. It is also common that automated emails are sent when, for example, someone makes a purchase on an e-commerce site, and the site then sends them an email to thank them for their custom, and invite them to take advantage of a special offer or other promotion. This is email marketing in its purest form, getting sales as a result of sending an email. The profit on the sale can be very large, and the cost of the email can be less than 0.1 pence. Hence why an ROI of well over £50 is possible from every £1 spent on email marketing. Me provides businesses with powerful, easy-to-use email marketing software which can be plugged into any website, automating emails, reducing man-hours, and increasing sales. Email marketing is the modern incarnation of a traditional mail merge. Of course, a traditional snail mail shot is costly, wasteful, resource-hungry, time-consuming, and comparatively ineffective. It is costly when compared to email marketing, as the cost per recipient is generally between £1 and £3 when the factors of postage, paper, envelopes, and undelivered mail are considered. It is also incredibly wasteful. When someone moves house, their address changes. However, an email address can travel the world and is much less likely to change. The medium itself doesn't involve ink, paper, or fuel, which are all consumed in a traditional mail shot. Because people move house, there is much more scope for address information to be incorrect or out of date. The time taken to deliver the message can easily take a week, making the message less relevant than when it was conceived, and due to the massive cost of printing and sending a mail shot, the return on investment is much lower. In fact, email marketing offers around 40 times the ROI of traditional mail shots. This can also be attributed to the fact that it's easy to respond to email marketing. You receive an email when you are already at your computer. Clicking the email takes you to the site where you can part with your money. Compare this to receiving a leaflet for a shop through the door, or reading a magazine article with an advert beside it. Recent evolution in computer software brought us the mail merge, combining a letter with a list of names and addresses to produce a mass mailing. Email marketing is the very latest incarnation of this medium. While mail shots are still adopted by large firms such as banks and insurers, email marketing is so cheap and effective that it is being adopted by businesses and organizations of all sizes. However, the immediate benefits of email marketing aside, there are other far more powerful advances with this technology. Real-time tracking and reporting enable you to see exactly when a recipient opens your email, clicks a link to your site, and makes a purchase or unsubscribes. Enabling businesses to fine-tune their messages, their website navigation, and even color schemes to make them even more effective as a marketing tool. In addition to the old method of personally addressing a letter with a mail merge, email marketing facilitates this, yet also adds another feature that allows you to segment customers and market to them accordingly. Say, for example, you are an online electronics retailer. If you group all the customers who recently purchased an LCD TV together, and then sent them all an email offering, an extended warranty, a discounted Blu-ray player, or a wall mounting bracket, all of these offers will be relevant and targeted to that customer group. When a specifically targeted customer receives a proposition, they are much more likely to respond positively. Hence, email marketing adds a new dimension to the modern-day marketing world, with a low-cost and highly effective marketing platform. Tips for effective email marketing. Over the past few years, research has continued to prove the benefits of email marketing for business: low costs, High conversion rates, and detailed tracking are all notable features. But email marketing is becoming much more than just a tool for spammers and e-businesses. Consumers are becoming increasingly savvy about the differences between spam and permission-based emails, and more of them are accepting permission-based email marketing as a positive replacement for direct mail. The best news is that the majority of people who receive permission-based emails open, on average, 78% of them. Jupiter Research reports effective email marketing campaigns can produce 9 times the revenues and 18 times the profits of broadcast mailings. But crafting an effective business email is both an art and a science. Here is a list of factors, potential problems, and effective solutions to keep in mind. 1. Spam. The average consumer receives more than 300 emails a week, 62% of which are spam. No wonder there's such hostility towards the industry. But spam filters, bulk folders, and report spam features are helping consumers become more at ease about the perils of spam. While 89% of users cited spam as a major concern in 2003, that number dropped to 85% in 2004, proportionally to an increase in the use of spam fighting tools. So as a permission-based business email marketer, what can you do? One tip is to remind your subscribers to add you to their safe senders list. The second, and most important, the tactic is to make sure your email marketing service provider has a good relationship with ISPs. This will ensure that your email marketing campaigns go into your subscribers' inboxes, not their junk mail folders. When choosing an email marketing software, make sure the company has strict anti-spam policies and complies with the guidelines of CAN-SPAM. 2. Images and formatting. Why do my emails look broken? Broken email campaigns are an increasing concern among email marketers, especially since several companies and web-based email providers now block graphics as a measure to combat spam. In fact, according to Clicks, 40% of email marketing messages delivered to inboxes are broken. This was actually something that came up during 𝐬𝐤𝐬𝐷.cc's beta testing phases, as we had a client in the Canadian government whose recipients were mostly using highly secure email programs. The solution we came up with has now become one of our key competitive advantages. What 𝐬𝐤𝐬𝐷.cc does is it publishes every single email marketing campaign sent to a secure location on the web, a location only original recipients of the email can access, thanks to encrypted technology that automatically authenticates the user. The technology also ensures you can track your users' behaviors, even if they are reading your email campaign at a secure web location. 3. Personalization and relevant content. In a business email, one size does not fit all. In a recent study by DoubleClick, email users were 72% more likely to respond to a business email if its content was based on the interests they had specified. That number points out the absolute importance of allowing users to choose their own interest groups and have control over which business emails they receive. The most popular interest categories, according to the study, are coupons and household goods. But your coupon is no good unless the user opens the email. Users in the study said the most compelling reason for them to open a business email is the name in the from field. So it's a good idea to make sure your company name is clearly stated there. Another major factor is the subject line. Users cite discount offers and interesting news as the most compelling subject lines, followed by new product announcements and free shipping offers. 4. Click-through and conversion. Show me the money. So the user has opened your email and read the content. But where's the sale? There's good news here. For one, consumers are increasingly likely to make purchases as a direct result of a business email campaign. 1/3 of users in the DoubleClick study had purchased something by clicking a link on an email. Another 42% clicked on an email link for more information, then purchased the product at a later time. Second, online couponing is booming. 73% of consumers have redeemed an online coupon for an online purchase, and 59% have redeemed an online coupon offline. In terms of industries, the top performers are travel, hardware/software, electronics, apparel, food, home furnishings, gifts/flowers, and sporting goods. All companies sending business emails in those categories said between 71% and 80% of recipients have purchased their products because of an email campaign. There's no need to fret if your company doesn't fit into one of those industries. The overall landscape for email marketing conversions is looking brighter every day. The average click-to-purchase rate has increased nearly 30% since 2004, and the average orders per email delivered rate has increased more than 18% since last year. 5. Stats tracking. Who are my real consumers? Email marketing is an increasingly popular tool in effective CRM, and it's about time more businesses recognize that. First off, if your provider's email services for business do not include detailed, real-time tracking, you're getting a raw deal. Real-time tracking is now an industry standard, and it's highly valuable, as it allows you to see the exact moment a user opens your campaign, clicks on your link, and makes that purchase. Studying your users can help you improve your communications efforts, so each campaign performs better than the last. Several email service providers also let you compare the performance of your campaigns. But many marketers are still in the dark. According to a recent Web Trends research, only 5% of marketers are very confident in the measurement of their online marketing efforts, while 26% admit they're flying blind. Web Trends says the low confidence comes from a lack of knowledge when it comes to measurement, which means there's still a lot of work to be done. In email marketing, a blind shot won't take you very far. But if you aim properly by following these essential rules of play, you should soon be reaping the same major results as so many online and offline businesses. And with that, we've reached the end of this video all about why use email marketing. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell, so you're always up to date with our latest releases as always. Thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.